Hi, I'm Lurgs, welcome to my channel. You think your garden bin's full up? It's not. You can get a lot more in there. Right, let's get cracking. Ooh-ar. So here is all my garden waste to go into the garden recycling bin. So let's start loading it up. So packing it in here as much as possible. And when you think that it's absolutely full, you can't get any more in, then you definitely can get more in. You can probably get about another 50% more into this garden recycling bin. So what you basically need to do is you need to climb into your garden recycling bin and just compress it all down with the weight of your body. Obviously, if you're heavier, then that is a bonus. And then jump around. I came in to get down. I came in to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. So all you're basically doing is using your body weight to just compress all the garden waste down further into the bin. Now doing it this way, you can get another 50% extra into that garden bin. If you don't want to do that, you don't want to climb into it, then just get a really heavy blunt instrument like this piece of wood and just keep banging it down. And make sure after all that hard work you treat yourself with a lovely cup of tea. Hey guys and girls, if you found that video useful, then please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, life hacks and helpful tips. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be cool. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel.